Hey, this is Stephen A. Williams with Making Money with Stephen A. Williams on YouTube. I want to show you proof that I know how to get people to my website and how to get them to stay on my website because the longer they stay on my website, the more potential of a buyer that they will become. Now, you can go to Google yourself or to Yahoo or whichever one. We don't want to just send everybody to Google. And you can type in how long is the average visitor on a website. Just type that in and see for yourself. And then I want you to come back to my video and I want you to look at what I'm about to tell you. So go ahead and pause the video and then go and type in on Google the average amount of time that someone stays on a website. All right, welcome back. Now, look at this here. This is an application that I use, and I also train uh, inside of my course exactly how to use this application to get people to stay on your website longer. But that's inside of the course. Let me just show you the stats because the time on the pages is what matters. We all know, and you know this for yourself, that if you went to a website and it had something that you were interested in buying, how long would it take for you to read through that website? Probably, if it's a cheap product, it's not going to take that long. But if it's an expensive product or service like what I'm offering on this one, people are going to take their time and make sure that they understand what they're getting because they're going to be spending a lot of money. They could be spending upwards of a couple of $1,000 on my for the service that I'm offering. So look right here. I got it blurred out because we don't want to tell people's IP address and stuff like that. But you can see right here, this is the time on the website. And you better bet the longer the time that someone is on the website, the more potential of a buyer they are because they're reading through. You can see these here, the time is clicking right there. You can see the time they're still on the website. Here's a new person to the website here. So you can see here's another person just now coming to the website. So you can see right here all of these people, and this is just from today. Probably we've only been open a few hours. So you can see all of these people that are on my website. Um, this is just, I wanted to make this video just to show you proof. And if you're interested in learning about how you can make your pages better on your website, just join my course. The link is below this video.